Hi everyone, Sylvia here from Sylvia's Marketing. How is it going? So guys, welcome to my Affincome Training Kit review. So this product is going live tomorrow and it was made by Larry Kearney. Alright, in a nutshell, let me tell you what it is. It's basically perfect if you are interested in getting into affiliate marketing. And it's also super duper perfect for you if you even have no idea what that means. Like I did almost 2 months ago, and look at me now, I'm making videos, I'm promoting products. But the key thing is to have a good training, and this is a decent training that will teach you. It's a video training about how to get set up and going with affiliate marketing. So it's very, very newbie friendly. That's very important. So anyone can get started with it. Well, we are living in, to put it mildly, unprecedented times, right? And like people's jobs have been affected by this crisis. Many people have lost their jobs, work. Anyhow, it's very, very smart, well, in a situation like that, to create an additional extra source of income. And affiliate marketing is pretty good, and there's a lot of potential in it because you would be promoting mainly software, digital products, and the commissions are good, anything from 50% up. So yeah, that's what it is in a nutshell. I am pleased with my results with affiliate marketing journey, and it's very important to also perceive it as a journey, not as a quick money quick money thing that you would be just making, millions or billions in no time. No, there's no such a thing like that. Yeah, reality check. You have to put some good effort, good work ethic into it, and if you're consistent, determined, and have the right mindset, you will see success. Well, with that long introduction, let me show you the product, but first I will actually show you the bonuses, because guys, if you decide to purchase this product via the link that I have attached down below my video, you will get some bonuses from me, from Sylvia, from Sylvia's Marketing. And here's the bonus page. Check this out. So this bonus page, very important, it is coming down on May the 22nd. So when this timer hits 0, the bonuses will be gone. And that would be a shame because they are amazing, and I have prepared them especially in a way to complement Affincome Training Kit. So you will also learn how to generate traffic with my bonuses. Alright, let me show you them. The bonus number 1 is a tutorial called Boomerang Body Pro by Jonah Armstrong. And if you have not heard of Jonah Armstrong yet, you will once you get your feet into affiliate marketing. He's a top affiliate marketer, so he definitely knows what he is doing. Bonus number 2 is YouTube Super Traffic Hack, all about generating traffic on YouTube and how to get your ranking up. Very useful. Bonus number 3 is Access Continuum Done for You. So it's a cloud-based software, again by Jonah Armstrong. Bonus number 4 is 10K email manifesto case study. It's all about how to make money with an email list, because the money is in the list, as they say, and it's very true. And the number 5 is all vendor bonuses, so the bonuses from the vendor that you will get on top of the product. He's given them to me, and I am offering them to you today, guys. Right, so again, just over 4 days to go to claim my bonuses, and it's very easy. You click the link below my video and then it will take you to this very bonus page where you need to click one of these orange buttons. From there you go to a sales page, which I will be showing you in a second. And then from there you will end up on my Warrior Plus. Here it will look something like this. It's very easy, straightforward. You submit your details, register with your email, and then click on this blue button, Access Affiliate Bonus, and then voila, the product is yours, my bonuses are yours, and the bonuses, extra bonuses, which I will be showing you shortly from the vendor, are also yours. Alright, moving on to the sales page. I like the sales page. It's very well done, gives you a lot of information about the products. Not much of blah blah blah, but like, you know, proper information. Anyhow, the headline says, looking for financial security during these pandemic crisis. Yeah, big crisis, right, we are facing. Uncover the closely guarded secret to instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hot shot affiliate marketer and see boatload of commissions flowing into your bank account. They won't be flowing just like that, as I said, but first of all, you have to know what you are doing. You have to know how to do it, and then put in some good work, and you will see results, because it is it is a good business model. That's for sure. Okay, you have like a demo here, and then down below you will see some statistics and, you know, real figures of people making money with this training course. I mean, within by practicing, by doing. A long way around saying just one simple thing. And yes, and some, you know, some explanation about the situation we are facing. Okay, I'll perhaps skip that and take you straight to this info here. So this training course has got 2 modules. Module number 1 is step-by-step training videos. So you will get 14 chapters, so 14 videos that will show you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business and run it profitably online for the long term. Yeah, see it as a journey again, as a long-term thing. That's the best way to approach it. So you won't get frustrated when you don't see results straight away, because nothing comes just like that, you know. Good things take time. So everything is screen recorded and well explained, and that is correct. It is. And they have covered several initial processes to get you going. Yes, so you will have a demo here, even on the sales page. You can, guys, it's going live tomorrow, so you can check at your leisure. But as you can see, here are the chapters. So chapter number 1, what is affiliate marketing? Then chapter 2, 3, and 4, I believe, is about the platforms where the vendors launch the products, and then you'd apply for an affiliate link in order to promote those products, and you would be making review videos like I am doing now, right? So here's the platforms: Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. And then there is much more on how to find good products, to find best affiliate offers, and how to actually do it. So it will be all explained to you. Right, and then we have module number 2, which is Premier Training Guide on Affiliate Training Kit. Sorry guys, the page is jumping, but here we are. So yeah, it's a resource for marketers. So basically it will show you step by step again information on how to make massive commissions. There's a lot of potential in affiliate marketing. And so that's the one, that's the module number 2. And on top of that, you will also get some bonuses from Larry. Let me show you the bonuses now. So bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet. This is a practical tool that will guide you easy to follow guide you with easy to follow steps of the whole training. And then there is bonus number 2 as well, and that's called Mind Map. It's a broad outline of the entire training program. So as you can see, you have this map here, and there's a top resource report. It's a comprehensive research report on affiliate marketing. It includes videos, tools, training courses, forums, affiliate programs, infographics, tags, and case studies. Alright, that's the product, and the way it will look will be something like this. One sec. So yes, here it is. As you can see, you have this. I could play it for you now because it's only like not even 2 minutes long. It's chapter 1, what is affiliate marketing? And you have in the first module, as I already said, you have 14 chapters. But that would be just wasting your time, because I would be just repeating. That would be just repeating what I have already said about affiliate marketing. But yeah, just to show you what you would be getting and what it looks like if you get this product. Okay. We are back to my bonus page. Just a reminder of the fact that my bonus page will be going down in just over 4 days. So again, if you are interested in this product, guys, please click the link down below my video and you can claim my bonuses. And you would be paying for this product, all you would be paying is just under 18 bucks. It's not a bad price, because again, it is a real thing, affiliate marketing. And this training course, if you are a newbie, will give you a lot of information to get started. So yes, for $17.95 you would be getting Affincome Training Kit, my bonuses, plus some bonuses from the vendor as well that I have shown you. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. I do hope you have found this review helpful, and I shall see you in the next one. Please don't forget to smash a like, subscribe to my channel. Any questions, ask away. I'm here for you. I will answer all of your questions. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Ciao.